Okay, it's already 6:31, and this cat has come to me and asking me for food. And see if I stand up, look at what he's gonna do. Okay, see. I just love my cats. There's another one here. Oh, what? You wanna eat? Are you hungry? Okay, look at that. My cats. My cats' food. Oh, they're very spoiled. See? They have their own. These are all their food. And Royal Canine Company. Ano, this is a very good food. Every time I go buy them food, I ended up paying like $198. And itong gusto nila. Beef and carrots. Ano pa? Turkey and vegetable. Tapos meron pa. Marami akong binili kasi ng isang araw I really have to run to the store. Ito, complete. Sabi dito. Chicken. Oh my gosh, the tuna. He's not gonna eat this one. Oh my gosh, bad mommy. Bad mommy. Okay, look at them. They're waiting. Are you guys hungry? Really? Huh? But you know, I brought them to the vet. Yes, the last year. They go to the vet every year. And the vet said, they're overweight. And sabi, you got to go, if you love your cats, okay, if you love your cats, you have to put them to diet. Let them lose weight. Because if they're obese and they're fat, they will die. That's what happened to my other two cats before. I overfed them. So, the doctor said, just give this one. Kaliit lang nito, oh. Compare sa, asan na isang comparison ko. I have, tinanggal ni nilutsi. Asan na yun? Meron kasi, so this is very small. Siguro makaka-contain lang yan, habang naghihintay ko dalawa. Okay. Ganyan lang, oh. Maliit. Tapos dadalhin ko to dito. Kanyang, yan. Territory na yan. Konti lang siya, oh. Tapos lalagyan. Yeah. You wait. Selosa itong babaeng ko, eh, oh. Super selosa, pero dinadamihan ko pa. Konti lang. This is just small. So if you guys have cats, do not overfeed them. So what I do in the morning and in the evening, actually I'm so busy, and it's already 8 o'clock when I come home. Luchi, she's my Girl Friday. I call her my Girl Friday. She happens to, nahulog ko yung she's my housekeeper. So before she leaves, she had to feed them. So I give them dry, and then I'm giving them wet. So this is the beef and carrots entree. So this is the wet food. Isa lang. So they have to share. They have to share the wet food. Paano ko malaman kung tama yung aking tansya? Masyado madami ito, So ginagawa ko, yan, para siguradong Yan. Grabe. Yeah, so itong food na to, dadalhin ko sa kanila. Una, ito, tingnan mo yung isa, masyado siyang atat na atat. Kaya, yeah, hinihintay niya. Okay, mommy's giving you food. I know. Spoiled to mga to, eh. Tingnan mo isa, naghihintay. So, kunin natin ang other food. Yeah. Ngayon, serve ko sa aking sir. Master, ang aming prinsipe, tingnan mo, ubos na yung food niya. Oh, look at that. Ang sarap ng pagkain nila, oh. You know, dito sa Amerika, we take care of our pets. I only have two. This is Tundar. He's a Maine Coon. And we bought him for like, when he was with us, that was December, he was born December 29, I think 2017. So he was just a baby. So we went to a breeder. So the malit pa siya, baby pa lang siya nung, but we got him when in March of 2018. So baby pa siya. Ano, 'di ba? Baby ka pa noon. So ang tawag nito, yeah, we bought this from the breeder for $1,100. Kidding me? Ito, cheap lang. Got her. This is Snowflake. Yung isa, si Tundar is lalaki. So, this is Snowflake, my little girl. Ito kasi minsan, feisty to. I got hers at the Habitat. Nagbayad lang ako ng donation. Nag-donate lang ako $75. But you know what? The reason why I got her, kasi sabi sa akin, she was abused when she was a kitty. In-abuse daw siya ng kanyang, yung unang nagmamay-ari sa kanya. So, kaya pinsan, takot siya pag yung gagalawin mo, gaganon siya, ganon siya. So, naawa ako, yun na, anong puso ko. So, kinuha ko siya. Pero alam niyo sa totoo lang, pag ako may umahawak sa kanya, hindi. Yung nag-aano siya sa akin, yung mommy talagang sa akin. Lalo na sa banyo. Sa banyo, dun siya lang makakapunta. Lagi sila nag-aaway, hindi sila magkasundo. Lagi sila ay nako, takbo dyan, takbo doon. Talagang, yung meron kang mga anak na pasaway. Ditong dalawang to. Lalo, sabi naman ng asawa ko, matino naman daw sila pag wala ako. Lalo pag nasa Pilipinas ako, matino daw sila. Pero pag nandito ako, ang ginagawa ko, sabi ko sa'yo, away sila ng away. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi naman sila magkasundo-sundo. Tapos, sabi ko, ayan o, ganyan sila o. Kailangan ko silang gawing ganyan kasi mag-aaway talaga sila. So, itong si Tundar, territorial yan. Para bang akin si Mami. Yeah. Tapos hihiga ako doon sa sofa. Ito, tatawagin ko man siya. Ayaw niya. Itong si Snowflake. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya lumapit kasi magagalit ito. Hoy, I'm talking to you. Tingnan mo. Alam mo, siya. Ayaw niyang sinasabihan siya. Kinukunan siya ng video. Pero, may mga videos ako na nakakatuwa. Siguro i-upload ko together with this. Okay? Okay, good morning. Magbe-breakfast na ako.